We're coming out of 2013 with a tremendous amount of momentum. We finished our 100-year anniversary celebrating 100 years of the best quality. One of the areas of quality that we found that we've fallen short over and over again has been in terms of packaging on squeeze.
There were three main things we heard from consumers that we really wanted to improve on. The first was a better experience at actually getting the product out of the bottle, so less shaking, less banging. The second was more control over the experience, so really fixing that mess. And the third was more control over how much product was getting out.
We are launching the absolute best squeeze bottle in 2014.
The new packaging addresses this concern with really three major areas of technical innovation. The first is really the design of the bottle. This curve here helps the product slide evenly down the side of the bottle. The second area of innovation that we built into this is actually called EEL technology. We're actually spraying a micro layer of soybean oil evenly across the entire surface of the inside of the bottle and allows it, as the product is emptied out of the bottom of the bottle, to slide right down the sides and onto your sandwich. The third area of technical innovation is this sleek new cap design. It doesn't allow the product to catch on the inside, but it also contains a silicone valve that will actually suck the product back after you're done squeezing, but also allows you to fence the product exactly where you want it and not where you don't.
Oh, that was beautiful. It came out when I needed it to.
Yeah, look at that. Oh my
That
God.
goes down exactly the way I want
There
it
is
to.
nothing left.
Wait, that's really
That's
cool.
like-
And I don't see any waste up at the top. I can actually tell that it looks like I don't have to bang it as much.